Hi everybody, welcome back to MarineMax Westbrook. Today we have a new Sea Ray 320 Sundancer outboard. This 32 Sundancer is equipped with twin Mercury 400 V10s with joystick piloting. So the boat is super quick, it's super efficient, super quiet, and super maneuverable. Let's start in the back of this boat and let's go over some nice features that help with storage and organization. Starting very aft on the 32 Sundancer, this one is equipped with the storage option instead of the sun pad. And let's see how much storage you really get. As you can see, we have two different compartments in the back of this boat. On the left side, you have access to your switches and your shore power cables. That is dedicated on the port side for shore power. Here on the center line, we have this massive compartment for lines and fenders, some water toys, and any other equipment that you want to hide. Starting on the starboard passageway, we have this nice translucent door, great for if you bring young children or pets on board, they're not swimming back towards the motors. We have a freshwater shower here with both hot and cold water. We also have a beautiful fusion stereo head unit here. And then another great feature that this has, it also has the Fender Pro clips. You don't have to use any cleat space for your fender lines. All you have to do is plug it in, take it out. Once you make your way into the cockpit on the 32 Sundancer, on the starboard side, we have the summer kitchen. The summer kitchen is super nice. You have dedicated wastebasket storage here. We have a nice pull-out freezer and fridge. We have a beautiful Kenyan electric grill. We have a sink. And the other thing I love is that they put some outlets up here. So if you are doing some weekending in Montauk or Newport, you can just bring up your coffee maker in the morning, plug it in, and hang out in this beautiful cockpit and enjoy your morning cup of joe. The Sea Ray 320 Sundancer has this awesome cockpit seating here. As you can see, we have the filler cushion. The cockpit table is just under this cushion, but if you are looking to get the maximum comfort, maximum usability out of this boat, put this thing in, you have a full leg length chase lounge for at least 4 people on the back side of this boat. It's super comfy, and if you're out here and you do want some shade, we have the electric sure shade right on top that's going to cover this entire back sun lounge. Use of space is super important to Sea Ray. That's why no space goes unused. This back jump seat is perfect for creating an extra seat, but if you are doing any water sports, you have a great spot position right here, right behind the captain. All you have to do is turn around and yell up to him. The same goes for this port side seat. As you can see, we have the backrest here. I'm sitting comfortably. Now, if I do want to make some more space, slide it back, and now we have a chase. If you want to be the co-captain, bring it back. Now you have a forward-facing port side seat. Let's check out the beautiful helm on this 32 Sundancer. Starting here, we have a nice fusion stereo unit that is touchscreen. We have 2 beautiful Simrad NSOs with auto routing, all of the features you need to make boating fun and easy. We also have the dynamic running surface. That is going to do everything for you. No more manual trim tabs. Put it on auto and it's going to give you the most comfortable ride you can get. We have the Mercury binnacles. They are electric throttle. We have active trim on the outboards, so no more trimming up and down. And of course, we have the JPO system that has the auto routing. We have the autopilot and making docking a complete breeze. The 32 Sundancer comes in 3 different forms. We have the full windshield and half side glass, also known as the open coupe. You can get the full coupe, which is going to be full windshield and full side glass, or you can just get the open, which is half side glass, half windshield. Now, with this 32 Sundancer, with the open coupe setup, we have isinglass for the side windows if you want to completely close it in. And we also have the back canvas for the aft of the cockpit. That means you can completely enclose the cockpit of this 32 Sundancer, and as an added bonus, we also have air conditioning and heating in the cockpit. That will increase your season, whether you want to put it in a little earlier or take it out a little later. As an added bonus, we also have a sunroof. If you want more sun and you want less shade, not a problem. Pop it open, slide it back, and you can lock it. Down in the cabin, you do get a microwave and an extra fridge, a ton of storage, and you have a V-berth up forward that can be converted into a dining area. You have a TV up forward as well. And as you guys can see, this Sea Ray 320 Sundancer has a full head with a shower. You got the curtain, you got the toilet, you have the sink. It is very spacious and very tall. Down in the cabin and the aft bunks, we have a large, massive king-size bed down there. This can be separated into 2 twin-size bunks in case you have a couple of kids. Check out the bow on this 32 Sundancer. Let's start up forward with all the tackle. We have the electric windlass. We got the remote up here for the windlass as well, but we also have more storage here in this port side compartment. Check out the bow seating on this 32 Sundancer. The bow seating is what makes the 32 Sundancer so special. They have this bow seating. You have freeboard on the interior. We have 3 loungers with 3 flip down armrests, so that 3 people can come up here, really enjoy their time, be really comfortable. Thank you for joining us on the Sea Ray 32 Sundancer outboard today. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email, but we look forward to seeing you out in the water this summer.